In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Zoho Books efficiently and quickly. Whether you're a first-time user or just need a refresher, this guide will help you get going in just about 5 minutes. By the end of this video, you'll be navigating the Zoho platform with confidence. So grab your computer or device and let's get started. First, you'll want to open a web browser of your choice. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you're comfortable with. Once it's open, head over to the official Zoho Books website. If you're not sure of the URL, don't worry, you can simply search for Zoho Books in your preferred search engine, and it should be the top result. On the Zoho Books homepage, you'll see various options and information about their services. We're specifically looking for the sign in option to access your account. Next, locate the sign in button. It's usually situated at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this button will direct you to the sign in page, where you'll have two different options to access your Zoho Books account. The first method is to sign in directly using your email and password. So go ahead and enter the email address linked to your Zoho Books account into the designated field. Then type in your password carefully, making sure there are no typos to ensure a smooth login. If you happen to have any password management software, this would be a great time to use it, as it can autofill your details and speed up this step. After entering your credentials, click the sign in button, usually located just below the password field. Sometimes signing in with just an email and password can be cumbersome, especially if you tend to forget your password. Thankfully, Zoho Books offers a convenient alternative login method using your Google account. If you prefer this method, instead of entering your email and password, click on the option that says sign in using Google. This will redirect you to a page where you can select the Google account you wish to use. Make sure that it's the same email associated with your Zoho Books account. After selecting the Google account, you'll be prompted to allow access for Zoho Books to connect with your Google account. Approve the access, and this will log you into your Zoho Books account using Google authentication. Once you're logged in, whether by using your email or via Google, you'll be taken to the main dashboard of your Zoho Books account. Here, you'll find a wealth of information and tools, all aimed at helping you manage your finances effectively. Spend a bit of time familiarizing yourself with the layout. The home screen is usually where you'll see your financial summary, invoices, expenses, and more critical business metrics. If this is your first time logging in or you have difficulty with any part of the process, don't hesitate to use the help and support options available on the Zoho Books website. They offer a variety of resources, guides, and even customer support if you have specific queries. For those of you using Google's two-factor authentication, make sure you've got your phone or authentication app ready, as it might prompt you to verify your identity. This step is crucial for maintaining the security of your account and ensuring that only you have access to your financial data. In summary, logging into Zoho Books is a straightforward process once you know what steps to follow. Remember to keep your login credentials secure and handy for future access. Whether you log in with a traditional email and password or take advantage of the seamless integration with Google, Zoho Books provides flexible options to suit your preferences. I hope this guide has been helpful. With regular practice, you'll be logging into Zoho Books effortlessly and managing your finances like a pro in no time. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to like and subscribe for more guides like this. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.